So hello guys, I am Rishit. Today we are going to replicate the Air India 171 plane crash. So first of all, uh, tribute to everyone who died in that plane crash. And second, please don't hate this video. So we are gonna take off from Ahmedabad as usual, and I will pause. Wait. Please wait for some minutes. So I want to explain something that I will be talking like a real pilot. No ATC will be there because I don't have a pro. So that's it. Let's take off, and I will be shutting off the engines on my own. So let's start. Wait. Flaps on.
Flaps.
APU on, eyes on, seatbelts on, seatbelts indicator on, dome light checked on वगैरह वगैरह. Ahmedabad Tower, this is AI171 to London Gatwick requesting takeoff. Cleared for takeoff runway 05 Ahmedabad Tower AI171. Guys, remember that I will be shutting the engine on my own.
80 knots.
At last, we'll just check how the crash is. 80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Ahmedabad Tower, Mayday. AI171. Both engines shut off. Descending. Wait.
Don't sink.
It's actually going down.
Don't sink.
Ahmedabad Tower, Mayday. So I don't know. It was like, I think, stalling. But let's check.
80
okay.
knots.
This is gonna be the shortest long video.
V1. Rotate.
Okay, V1 rotate. The part that I saw guys.
Positive rate. Gear up.
Bro, my English is not good. Sorry for that. Okay. Then suddenly the engines got turned off. And now it is descending. Actually, we will not only do that, we will do other activities also. Like today we will do a landing, and the special thing is we will do cockpit landing. So let's do it. Where should we do? Hyderabad. No takeoff, not anything. Hyderabad. Because I don't want to make this video too short, so we'll do a short landing, and it is gonna be hard from the cockpit, so just doing some settings. Okay, done, almost done. Okay, let's go. So now we are gonna land. Okay, Hyderabad Tower, this is AI171 requesting landing. Cleared for landing AI171 to Hyderabad. So guys, basically I didn't know what aircraft should we do, so I just said that AI171. I also know that it goes to Gatwick, but still. Gears down. We have to keep the altitude MSL and altitude AGL together, so we can see perfectly. I think the altitude AGL is more important because altitude MSL is not showing the correct one. I don't know why. भाई एविएशन में पढ़ता हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं इतना जानूंगा. Sorry for that. 300.
Minimum 200.
Okay.
100.
Landing. Okay, so it is gonna cross the landing zone.
50.
Shit.
40. 30.
But to make a
20.
smooth landing,
Retard.
have to do
Retard.
this. Jamatadi, let's rock!
Retard.
Okay, that was quite hard. Reverse thrust given. Please go. Hyderabad Tower, this is AI171, runway vacated. I don't know the runway number, bro. Done. Now let's check the landing. Everything is okay. भाड़ में जाए. Now let's check the
Sink rate.
landing. I'm so
Sink rate.
scared.
Pull up.
बेइज्जत होने वाला है मेरा. Shit.
40.
Bro.
30.
क्या है?
20.
It doesn't
Retard.
seem to be any
Retard.
hard landing. Wait, I need to change the camera actually.
70.
Okay,
60.
changed, bro.
50.
It is more worst
40.
because we are landing in Hyderabad now.
20.
Now
Retard.
let's check.
Retard.
Okay, everything okay, everything.
Retard.
No, not that hard, bro. Not that hard. Did you see that, bro? The amount of smoke. No, bro, not that hard.
Retard.
Shit. Bomb. That was like a Ryanair landing. Almost a Ryanair landing. हाँ, we feel. But আমাদের বাংলাদেশ ভাই मैं तो अभी हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, কখনো বাংলায় কথা বলছি. সো আই ওয়াজ সেইং দ্যাট যে আমি ঢাকার যে ল্যান্ডিংটা করেছিলাম শর্ট ভিডিওটা, ওটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি ককপিট থেকে করেছিলাম, নট গোনা লাইভ হয়. বাট ও তখন স্মুথ হয়ে গেল অ্যাকচুয়ালি. তো এখন জানি না কেন হলো না. আই থিঙ্ক দ্য নার্ভাসনেস. বাট এবার আর আপনাদের মাথা খাবো না. থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিও সো পেশেন্টলি অ্যান্ড বাই.